Hello everyone, welcome to RSB Ideas. Let's make a lasagna. First, boil some water, then add your lasagna sheets. Then add some salt and then some oil. Add 85 milliliters of oil. Then add some minced meat into. Chop some onions and add into your pan. Fry the onions till golden brown and then add some tomatoes. Add 1 cup of water. Now add some chopped chicken. Keep stirring until everything is completely mixed. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, cumin powder, chili flakes, add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, dried mint, turmeric powder, red chili powder, add some chili sauce, add vinegar, some ketchup, add 1 cup water and cook.
Now add your coriander leaves. Now add 1 thinly sliced green chili. Now add some lemon juice. Add some white pepper. Now in 1 cup of water add 1 tablespoon wheat flour and stir. Now add this in your mixture and then stir. Now leave it on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for last step we are adding omelet cutting capsicum. Now we are going to make white sauce. Add 1 tablespoon oil and then 3 tablespoons flour. Keep stirring it. Now add half cup milk. Keep stirring. Add some salt like this. And now add a little bit black pepper. Now our white sauce is ready. Now in a different pan add milk for the cheese mixture. And now add some flour like so. Now after stirring for about 5 minutes add a block of cheese. Then keep stirring. Now we spreaded our white sauce on our pan greased with oil. Now add your lasagna sheets. And now spread some cheese. Now after that add your mixture of chicken. Now again add a layer of cheese. Then a layer of white sauce. Now again add a layer of your lasagna sheet.
Add some olives, add some capsicum and bake. Add the liquid cheese which we just made. Some oregano leaf. And there you have it, lasagna.